Hi, hello friends, welcome back to Yulink's gardening channel. Today's video is about how to grow the money plant in a proper way. If you are watching my video in first time, so don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also enable the bell icon. The money plant is considered as a luck for the house. Growing a money plant is very easy. It does not need any special care. Many people believe that the money plant brings luck, happiness and money. The money plant is an evergreen, vine variety plant climbed by means of aerial roots which adhere to the surface. Start growing money plants in pot. The money plant can grow in any type of soil, but the plant grow beautiful in fertile, loamy soil. There are two methods of growing money plant in soil. One method is to grow cuttings in a small pot or glass or water bottle with water for a couple of weeks till the root formation. Once cutting gets complete root system, then transplant it into a desired container filled with the fertile, well-drained soil. The another method is selecting a medium-sized pot with good draining system and fill it with the draining soil. The money plant thrive in all type of soils. First, you need to prepare the cutting for planting the healthy money plants. Then add rooting powder. This is an optional method. If you are using this method, the money plant will grow faster. The rooting mixture is available in the powder form. You need to dip the cuttings into that powder. I am recommending to take small amount of powder and add little more water to make it as a paste, because the paste form is very easy to adhere on the cutting part. After mixing the powder, you need to dip the cutting properly. Take a well-drained pot for planting money plants. Because of retaining water in container may damage the root of the money plants. The potting mix is 50% of the soil and 50% of the sand. Fertilizers for growing money plant in pot. Money plant does not require any special feed to survive. In case weak or slow growth, feed the plant with water-soluble mild fertilizers. Any type of common fertilizer can be used for money plants. Use nitrogen-based fertilizer if blooming does not appear. Mild liquid fertilizer can be used for short-term dosage, and the pellets form for long-term usage. Use some homemade fertilizer like tea compost, eggshells, used tea leaves, banana peel fertilizer. Thus, homemade fertilizers feed the plant with necessary nutrients. Staking for growing money plants. The wooden or plastic stakes are suitable for climbing the plant. Tie the stem to stake as it grows up. So that's it. Let me see in next video.